Are you looking for a simple and quick way to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word on your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I will show you step by step how to quickly switch the app interface from bright to dark. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Microsoft Word app. So the thing is that, there is no option to enable the dark mode in the Microsoft Word app itself, but there is a quick and easy workaround for that. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Once you have the Control Center opened up, tap on this exact icon to enable the dark mode on your iPhone. So now if you go back to the Microsoft Word app, you'll see that the app interface has changed from a bright white color to a dark color. So if you don't already have that dark mode icon in your Control Center, exit the app, open up the settings of your iPhone, and then scroll down and tap on Control Center. And then scroll down, and you'll see an option called Dark Mode. So go ahead and tap on the plus icon right next to it. And that dark mode icon will be added to your Control Center on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.